Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just got back from soccer practice with my nephew and I was using my my Fjallraven Kanken Mini today. And so I thought I would give you the tour. Now I have a lot in here. Do I need everything for every soccer practice? No, I don't, but I wanted to show you what this bag can carry because it's quite a lot. I cannot remember the color name, but this is pink, and it's the kind of bag that lends itself to charms. So I have this kind of the boo-boo here hooked around the handles, and then I have this charm that I got at, I think I got it at Daiso, hanging from the zipper. This bag has a front pocket, two side slip pockets, and then a pocket in the back that has like a seat. It keeps the bag structure, but it also is something you can sit on if you're at a picnic or something. So I'll show you that when I open the bag. I've had it for a while. You can see it's dirty. It's got marks on it. I know you can wash these, like hand wash these, but I haven't figured out how to do that yet. But you can see that this bag gets a lot of wear. So I'll show you what's in here. Right now in the front pocket, I have my bear fan that I think you've seen a few times on this channel. It's got bear ears and a bear face, and then you open it and it's a fan inside. And that's all that I've got in there. Sometimes I'll have like a first aid kit or band-aids or something like that in there. In one pocket I keep my phone. These are not big enough on the mini size to fit a water bottle. So flat things basically. And on this side I have my hand sanitizer. I do want to say before I continue that I am new to YouTube and I'm just learning how to film, so I have no idea how to zoom out here. Something I'm working on, so hopefully I'll be able to bring you better quality videos in the future, but for now, I'm working with what I have. If you order this bag, something that they do say on the website is that these straps arrive doubled up and there's something you have to do. I cannot remember because it's been a while. There's something you have to do to pull them through. So if you do buy this bag and you think the strap drop is too short, just go on YouTube and learn how to get the strap down from wherever it's tucked up in, and you'll have twice the length. Okay. The Kanken bags all have this zipper that kind of goes the whole length of the bag, which is very convenient. As you can see, it's stuffed full, and I wanted to show you what can fit in here. It's not very tidy at the moment because I did just get back from the field, but I'll show you what I got. I have my full-size wallet in here. I still have that cold, so I've got these cough drops. I have a novel. I have sunscreen. I have a scrunchie. I have my large pouch, and I think I went through this in my Bagoo Bowler video. It has tons of stuff in here. I've got my Victorinox Swiss card, wet wipes, especially handy when you're out with your nephews and nieces. I've got mints, tissues, lip balm, pads, mirror, mints, band-aids, pretty much anything you could need is in here. And particularly in this bag, oops, this jumped out here. I really like that this bag from Uniqlo has this top handle because it's really easy to pull out. This bag, I learned the hard way, it is not waterproof. So I went back to the Fjallraven store and I got this rain cover on clearance. It clips in to the handle, and that solved the problem. So I always keep that tucked into the bag. A full-size water bottle here, a 500 ml, like standard water bottle. Of course I have my headphones. I have a notebook and a pen. I mentioned in a previous video I'm starting to get into journaling, so I like to carry those with me wherever I go. This is a reusable shopping bag, and this one, my friend picked it up for me. She was just in Japan and she brought this back for me. So it's a zip style, it folds in like that. It's so cute with the jelly beans. I really like this, and it's a nice shape for this bag because it just lies flat against the bottom. I have some extra tissues because, again, cold. I have my pill case, and then that's it for this compartment. And then in here is the seat cover. First I have some extra masks, and then this is a seed cover that they put in here. So, what does it say on the sticker? Seed pad keeps contents from pressing against the back while also making sure a comfortable rest is never far away. Yeah. So sometimes people buy this bag and they accidentally throw this out, but it keeps the things. So this bag is very, very thin. If I didn't have this, things would be poking into me, and that would bother me immensely. So glad that they include that design feature. This is an extremely lightweight bag when it's empty. Weighs next to nothing. So the only weight really is the weight of the things you've got in there. So just to repack it, I've got my masks. How do I want to do this? Put my pouch down here. And the book, notepad, pen. I'm going to tuck this down here. Got the rain cover, pillowcase, scrunchie, and tissues poked down there. And then on the top here, I'll put my wallet, headphones, cough drops, and you know, you could still fit more in here because this is a bag that has a ton of capacity. It's quite small. It's like a real mini bag, but it's really convenient for these kind of trips when you're going somewhere like a hike or something like that and you need to carry a few more things and you need something lightweight, but you don't need like a full-size backpack that can fit a laptop and things. This is a good option. And then hand sanitizer in the side pocket here, and then in the other side pocket, I'm filming with my phone right now, but that's where I would put my phone. Or you could also store it in the main compartment. And just to fix my charm, there we go. And clip the top here. I like to clip those because they keep my charm in place. And that's that for this slightly disorganized video. I apologize for that, but I just wanted to kind of give you the rundown before I unpack this bag. So thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate your likes and your comments. They mean a lot to me. I hope you have a fantastic day or night, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.